How to treat an asthma attack. Help the victim rest in a sitting position, ideally with arms on a table to help increase rib space. Keep them still and help the victim take their prescribed reliever medication as soon as possible. Puff 1 dose into the spacer and allow them to take 4 breaths. Repeat this 3 more times until 4 doses have been taken. If there is no improvement, repeat this again. If there's still no improvement, call emergency services. Continue to assist the victim by giving 4 puffs of reliever medication every 4 minutes. Offer small sips of water to prevent dehydration. If the victim improves, keep them resting until their skin colour is normal. If you're not the parent, notify them of the attack so they can seek further medical advice.